Hello everybody. One of my neighbors called and said that someone just tossed RC truck to the garbage across from my street, and I came to see what it is. And look at this, it's all rusted. It's a Arrma Kraton, completely rusted and messed up, and it's looked like it's just gonna need a remote. Yep, it's look like, yeah, it's very rusty. I think someone ran it in salt water probably and messed it up. Even the pins are all kind of rusted all over. Yeah, I don't know if any of this work. It's super dirty. So what we're gonna do is let's make a restoration video. Even the sticker, everything is, wow, he just broke to shreds. Look at this. Anyway, I think they probably came to the store and bought something, and then they end up throwing this away to the garbage after. So let's do this. Let's take this and see if it's able to fix it. Wow, everything is so full of rust on this. The gear looks still good, they're not broken or anything, and the motor sound like it's okay. Let's take it in. Yeah, it looks like there is a weird bluish color part on the back, but I don't know if it's got oxidation or something, but everything is full of rust everywhere. Probably the bearing is done on this thing. I'm gonna have to open it up and clean it. So let's take it and make a project car out of it and make something cool. Actually, even the nuts on the wheels, like each one is a different color on it. Yeah, it's all rusted all over. Okay, I think this will be a great restoration, and we're just gonna call it the Garbage RC, and I'm gonna paint a body on it and call it Garbage RC or something like that, or maybe we're gonna call it something else. Let's see. So start following us, like, subscribe and share, and let's make something out of this piece of junk. Arrma, very good car, just this one is in such a bad condition. Wow, when you look at it more and more, it's just full of rust everywhere. You're gonna need to get a tetanus shot just from touching it. At least they put it in the recycle. People throw in here a lot of other stuff, so this something could be done with it. There is some stuff burnt here. I wonder if they got like lipo fire or something. Let's take it and do something with it. Like, subscribe, share, and this is gonna be a couple episodes of how to fix this thing and to make it much better. Bye.